Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem that many developers face when calling functions from a DLL. The issue arises when trying to use boost to import and call a function from a DLL, resulting in a pesky error during execution. The problem lies in the mismatch of parameters, causing an access violation when calling the imported function. Now, let's discuss the solution to this problem. By properly utilizing the boost library and the boost_DLL_alias macro, we can ensure that the exported function is correctly linked and accessed. In the provided code snippet, the use of boost_DLL_alias establishes a global alias for the factory method within the plugin, enabling seamless import and usage. Building upon the previous solution, we can further refine the import process by using boost DLL import_symbol to correctly import the construct function from the DLL. By specifying the function signature and loading mode, we can successfully call the desired function without encountering parameter mismatch issues. To wrap things up, we have successfully addressed the initial problem of calling a function from a DLL using boost. By implementing the proper import methods and utilizing aliases, we have ensured a smooth integration with the DLL functionality. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!